Hi guys, today we will see what is normal distribution. It is used mostly in the Python machine learning algorithms. So let's see it. Normal distribution, commonly referred to as Gaussian distribution, is a fundamental concept in statistics characterized by its bell-shaped curve that is symmetric about the mean. This distribution is crucial because it describes how the value of a variable is distributed. It is mainly defined by two parameters. That is nothing but mean, which is used, or the symbol for this is this, and then second is standard deviation, that is given by this sigma. So here the bell curve of a normal distribution is symmetric. So it diminishes in frequency as the data points move away from this mean. So we can see it is diminishing. This symmetry implies that the mean, median and mode of the distributions are always equal. Now when do we use this normal distribution? Firstly, when we are dealing with the data that are symmetrically distributed across the mean. Then when the data follows the empirical rule, where approximately 68.2% of the data falls within the first standard deviation, that is one standard deviation. 95.4% of the data falls within two standard deviation and 99.7% of the data falls in three standard deviation. Now what are the advantages of this normal distribution? First is simplicity. It provides the clear method to describe the complex data. Then second comes the standardization. It forms the basis for inference, like making it possible to standardize the statistics as z-scores, which is nothing but one of the metrics to calculate accuracies in the machine learning. And then comes the convolutions. The sum of normal random variables is also normally distributed. So it is useful in various statistical methods, including some hypothesis testing. There are also few disadvantages of this normal distribution. One is the assumption of symmetry. So whenever we have this skewed distribution in the data, skewed in the sense your data is biased for one particular class or one particular feature. So when the data is skewed, this assumption of this symmetry is not suitable. Then outlier sensitivity. This normal distribution does not handle outliers well, which can lead to misleading representations of data. And then comes the oversimplification. It may oversimplify the real world data, ignoring the nuisances outside of the mean. Now how to implement it in Python? We will see this code implementation in the next video.